Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at an assembled drawing. Here we're given a pulley. So one may ask, what is assembled drawing? Is to assemble the parts into one complete drawing. Like for example, when a car is made, it's made in parts, so they assemble those parts together. Like in another words, is to join the parts together to make a complete part. So we're given a pulley here, and then the good thing is they give you the item numbers, item 1 2 3 4 5, and they also do the numbering here. Item number 1, frame plate. Item number 2, a pulley. Item number 3, it's a shoulder pin. Item number 4 is a bush, and item number 5, it is said hexagon nut. So it means you're gonna draw a construction nut, and then one may ask, where will my nut go? So it goes here. How do I know that? Because we have a thread here, and also we have an M32. So, and also you must take care of this one. They say frame plate 1 off. For example, they can say item number 1 is a washer, and then they say 2 off. But in a given drawing, it's 1 washer. It means you have to draw the washer twice. So you're gonna have to duplicate. So let's read the question. The question reads as follows: a full sectional front view on plane YY. Yes, a plane YY, and draw a left view. Draw to a scale 1:2 first angle orthographic projection. 1:2, it means each and every dimension you're gonna have to divide by 2. So since here is 20, it means on our drawing is gonna be 10. So just like that. And also the drawing is given in third angle orthographic projection, but they want it in first angle. So it means that we're gonna swap here, because top on first angle, top is on the bottom, front is on top. So it means we're gonna have to swap. So they require only front view and left view, but I'm gonna draw the top view so that you can see how the complete drawing it looks like. So we're gonna have 3 views here, but top view is not required, but I'm gonna do it anyway just to show you how it's done. So one may ask, how do I know which part goes into which one? So here's the trick. You know that by checking the dimension. You check the dimensions which are equal. For example, here is 60, and then you check the other part which have a dimension of 60 is this bush. So it means this bush is going inside of here. And then you check on your front view, it's 72, the height also 72. It means this one is gonna be exactly inside of here. And then in this pulley, you check here where the cycle is 90, is 80. It means it's gonna come here on top with the bush inside. And then one another thing, you might ask, where does this pin goes to? This is the main part, remember. So everything will be assembled on this one. So the pin, I will say it goes to this part here, 73. It goes here inside. How do I know? If you check the inside cycle is 48, here we have 48. It means it's gonna fit here, and then we take them together by here. Now we'll be left with this part. This part, you may ask, where does it go? You have a diameter of 40. Here you have 40. It means this one is gonna fit here. For example, you have the height of 50 and then the height of 60. So it's gonna leave 10 millimeter. And then after that, the nut will come here. You see? So that's how the assembly is going to be. And then remember, you don't section a web. It means that when we do our section, where there you see hidden details now, they're gonna be solid line, and then the section here, the section here. You see, that's how we do it. So don't forget, sometimes they can give you in a third angle orthographic projection, and then they require you to draw also in third angle. So take note of that. You must take note of that. And also we're given all the dimensions. So I don't want to waste time by dividing each and every part. So I'm gonna draw this as it is, like a scale 1:1. But in a case, follow the instruction and divide each dimension by 2 because we won't have enough space. But here I will have enough space, so I'm gonna use the exactly dimensions. So let's start. We're gonna start with this one. This one, I'm gonna draw it in an extraction line. It's gonna be here on the bottom. So okay, it looks like I'll have to divide by 2. I won't have enough space, so I'll draw scale 1:2. So I'll divide each and every dimension by 2. Okay, so I have a circle of 80, so I'm gonna divide that by 2, so it's gonna be 40. It means the radius of 40 is 20. I'm gonna draw a construction circle like that, and then the smaller one is 40. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. So here's my diameter of 20 cycle. And then another thing, we're given a distance of 240 from the center. So 240 divided by 2 is 120. So I'm gonna measure 120 from the center. This is 120. So from there, we're given a web, so it's 20, so it's gonna be 10. So I'm gonna measure 5, 5. Measure 5, 5. And then I draw from here. Number 120 is here. From there, we're given 30, so I'm gonna measure 15. So remember, each and every dimension I'm dividing it by 2. And then from there, this distance is 90. It was not given, so I just made it up. So it's gonna be, it means it's gonna be 45. So I'm gonna measure 22, 22.5, 22.5. I'm gonna measure it by compass. So I don't think this one should take a lot of time. So since I'm explaining, it will take a little bit more of time, but I think it can take you about let's say about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna just join the web. Okay, let me increase this distance. It's not making sense. So let's make it 35, you know. Yeah, let's make it 30. 30, 30, 30, 30. So I'm just gonna join here. This one I can make them solid. They won't be affected. And then this one, it's a web. So I'll just do like this. So I'm gonna draw a complete assembly here on top. Then I can move to the front view. Here they require the radius here. They said it's 16. So it means it's gonna be a radius 8. So to draw that, you come and measure 8. You come to this corner, you draw, you mark there, and mark there. From there, you draw a curve like that, and then you draw a curve like that. Then from there, you just draw it like this. You do the same, you mark here, mark here, you mark here, and then you come and put your compass point in there. And then you draw a curve like that. Okay, and then you will join this one. So from now on, I'm gonna draw the pulley. So here's my pulley. It's given 176. So it's gonna be 88. So I'm gonna measure radius of 44, and then I'll just draw a solid line like that. And then from there, and from there we have this one of 200. This one is the inside one, which is 176, and then this one is 200. And it means it's gonna be 100 when we divide by 2. So I'm gonna measure my 50. Draw it like that. See, when you look from the above, the pulley will be here. And from there, okay, I can make this one solid. We're almost done with the front view. I'm in top view, and then don't forget the center lines. And then we're gonna draw the top view of here, 70. So 70 divided by 2 is 35. So I'm gonna have my circle. I'm gonna make it solid, this one. Now it's done. And we have this one here. And we have some kind of a chamfer. So that chamfer, we're not given the dimension of that one. So I'll assume that you make it 45. Okay. You draw it at an angle of 45 when you draw the front view. So it's gonna be somewhere here. So this is what you will see when you look from the top view. So we are done. We're done with the top view. Now we'll go to the front view. The front view is where you'll be able to see most of the things. Okay. Let me draw it, take it a little bit high, since we're gonna have the web. So guys, don't mind me drawing using a set square. I can assure you it's accurate. It's just that I'm struggling to find a T-square. Where I am, I've been looking to the shops, but there are no T-squares. Okay, but next time you will see me using a T-square. So now we're going to draw this part. It's 80, so you divide this by 2, is gonna be 40. So make my 40. And then the height is gonna be 25. So the original one is 50. So you divide by 2. And then we're gonna use these dimensionals. Just gonna draw my construction line. Construction line. So let's find half of 25. That'll be 12.5. Using my 12.5. So just gonna draw a straight construction line, and then from there we're given this one is 184, so you divide that by 2. 184 divided by 2 is 92. So then it's gonna be 92. So you mark it like that. So you can make it solid. And then from here we have that web. And then from here you have that 20. So we divide by that 2. So we're gonna get here this dimension. I'm just gonna draw a construction line like that. And then the inside one, we'll get it from here. We already have a construction circle. Just like that. Okay, now I can make this one solid, and then this one solid as well. Solid. This one will be solid too. So we'll section here. Now we're gonna draw this one. Okay, let me start by drawing the pulley. So the pulley will be on top there. So you can start with any you want. So I'll just transfer the dimensions of the pulley. You see, it helps you to draw the top view, so that each dimension you can just transfer there. and this one is off. So I forgot another cycle. You see this one here, it's 90. It means you divide that by 2, it's gonna give you 45. So it's gonna come in on top. Be careful on this one. So okay, so it means it's gonna be hidden. So it's gonna stay inside. So here I'll just come and do this. Draw a construction line. Our height is 72 of the pulley. So let's get the center. The center of this pulley so that we can draw those webs. This is the center. So remember, I'm drawing these webs so they're gonna be solid now. And then don't forget this dimension. This one is 72 and then we have 64. So let's draw that 64. From there you draw a straight line like that. So from there, From here to here, you're gonna measure. Since we're given the dimension of 20, so it's gonna be 10. So which means from the center is gonna be 5. So 5. You measure 5 like that. And then remember, you are given a radius of 16, which means it's gonna be radius of 8. So you will need to draw those curves. What we do, the mark here, come here, draw a curve like that, So you will do all 4 sides. So just like that, and then you will come and draw. Now you can make this one solid. So now it's like this. Now we're drawing this part. If you can check, the shape is already here. We're just left with one part, and then we're gonna draw the top part there. So from there, the top part is given as 70. So above 70 is 35.